soul. The decree of the Lord is trustworthy, giving wisdom to the simple.
For you have the words of everlasting life.
The precepts of the Lord are right, rejoicing the heart. The command of the Lord is clear, enlightening the eye.
For you have the words of everlasting life.
The fear of the Lord is pure, enduring forever. The ordinances of the Lord are true, all of them just.
For you have the words of everlasting life.
They are more precious than gold, than a heap of purest gold.